Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Sausage Casings 101, Sausage Casing Basics. A sausage is just a meat that's been ground, seasoned, and reformed. It can be made fresh, cured, or smoked. While it does not require that the ground product be stuffed into a casing, the vast majority of sausages are processed in this manner. There are numerous reasons for this, including uniformity, mouthfeel, appearance, plus ease of handling and cooking. Any casing, whether it's natural, collagen, fibrous, or something else, is going to offer you some uniformity to the diameter of your product. This is important because it's going to allow your product to cook evenly. Now, if you had a product that was half again as thick in some areas as in others, the thinner portions are going to be way overcooked by the time the thicker parts are safe to eat. Now, in commercial processing, uniformity is even more important for appearance and to be able to consistently track the amount of sausage being produced. Mouthfeel is a term that refers to the sensations associated with eating certain types of food. For casings, this will be determined by a few factors, some of which will depend on the cook cycle, but to keep things simple, collagen will have less of a snap than a natural casing will. In surveys, it was found that reduced snap of collagen was actually preferred to natural casings. Now, different types or variants of collagen will also have different mouthfeel, as they're going to have different levels of toughness. Casings also give sausage a certain look. It's generally easy to determine when a casing was used to make a sausage versus when it was just extruded. Now, natural casings will have a slight curve to them and can be anywhere from slight to fairly extreme, while collagen casings are generally going to be more uniform and straight. Some types of sausage casings, such as cellulose, are inedible, and they're going to have a marking down the center to let you know if you've removed that casing or not. Trying to bite into one of those isn't going to be pleasant. However, the ring bologna casings are also an inedible collagen, but they don't have any markings on them, so you have to be really careful when using those. Trying to consume any type of inedible collagen isn't going to be harmful, but it is going to be a little bit chewy. Now, different types of casings should be used for different products, and they all have different properties. So they have to be prepared and handled, as well as stored in different ways, and we will get to that in upcoming videos. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.